This is how to enable the auto answer feature on your Yealink T46 handset. Press the menu soft key, scroll to features and press OK. Then select option 1 and press OK. Your extension will be shown. Press OK. If it is disabled, press the right arrow key to enable it. Then press Save. Press back until you are at the main menu. You'll now see AA has appeared at the top of the screen. This means that all incoming calls will be automatically answered. To disable it, press Menu, Features, Auto Answer, your extension number, and then switch it to Disabled. Press Save, return to the main menu, and you can see the icon has disappeared. Calls will be able to be answered freely by you when you choose. And that is how to enable auto answer on your Yealink T46 handset.